Barangay San, are you ready? Requesting everybody to please stand for the invocation, to be followed by the singing of the Philippine National Anthem. Let us bow our heads and feel the presence of God as we pray.
To cling to you in prayer with a humble heart. Please guide us and give us strength as we navigate through this day. Help us to be a vessel of your love and kindness to make a positive impact in the world. May your presence be within our lives, and may we always strive to do your will. Thank you for your blessings and for the gift of life. Amen.
Mga kababayan, ang pambansang araw ng Pilipinas.
You may now be seated. This is Mutya 2025 Coronation Night. all welcome our 7 lovely candidates as they present themselves one by one.
Beauty pageant is not.
Ay,
Beauty pageant is not.
Pampanga na mo, sir. Pampanga na mo.
Beauty pageant is not.
Direct, Ning!
Beauty pageant is not about your physical appearance. It's about your confidence and determination. That's why I'm here to empower women and being model to all of them. My name is Princess Joy Diliwana, 15 years old, representing Puro Shelter!
Mayang abengin kaya kayungan, ako po hindi kami manendo, at wang pulot banwa, manalakaran kang pengamalan kong purong siyete! Mayo, ang masaglalang bengi, bayog sa man. Dako po, yung Irish Van Hilario Campo, edad 18. Eda ka, ikarine ni Gulisa, miyangat ka ba? Purok da!
Nagkasang bengi, bayog sa luwan, yak po in tears as I laid upon the puna, netong pulot siya mabanwa, luwid ka, puro buwan! Maya pabenging Maya pabenging lalawig ang Kapampangan. Ako po ay Kim Anthony Garcia Makalinaw, edad 15, Meni Batan King Puro. Meni Batan King. Meni Batan King Mapo.
Purok 5!
Many batanting delikadad, ataw at mga santing. Kabilang nun, eto nga ikarineng igulisa, purok singka! Maya ka pabengi, kaya kayungan. Yako po, Jemerlyn Cruz, labing limang banwa, manalakaran, yung pakamalan kong baryo, purok sing! Tatong ni, pero baitong ni. Mayot, ang inong Diyos abengi, pakamalan kung barangay Saluhan. Ing may piling lekwan, king keyong pelibatan.
Ako po, Eunice Cassandra Pineda de Marukot, eto at metong pulot, 8 banwa. Manalakaran karagtao, isasan metong, di kakalugod, at susulong intutong serbisyo. Tuknangan na rin masasalpantayang tao, kakuyang pagmaragul, ingkamong pelibatan, eto at tigurinan tigulisak, luwin ka at pagmaragul ka ka. Viva! Puro! 4!
Mayab Albengi Barangay San Juan. Tonight is the most beautiful night here in Barangay San Juan as our 7 lovely candidates battle in beauty, talent, and wit for the most coveted title of Mutya Ning San Juan 2025. Why don't we give our candidates the most resounding applause? And the best way to start off this beautiful celebration is a welcome message that will be coming from the father of Barangay San Juan. May I call on our Honorable Barangay Captain, Honorable Gary Yumo. Let's give him a warm round of applause.
Hello po, good evening po kaya kayo ma'am. Good evening po, i-take niyo po yung opportunity ngayon para pasalamatan din tao. Alam sahong sasahong, susuporta at karing sponsors po para maging possible na po yung event ng makaninig ang barangay tao. Muna po kang Mark Kenneth Samonte, Sir Ciprian Malyari, Paipagan, mag-organize na lang bayan. Thank you kaya kayo. At kang Mayor Tonton Torres po, kang Vice Mayor Junlin, karang SB members po na segutandangan po yung pa-premium ngayon begging ngayon. At karang pong judges, thank you po. At karang candidates ng mga lago, good luck and thank you kaya kayo para showcase yung lago. Karang kayo na kang Kening San Juan. Karang kayabi ang Barangay Council, thank you. And karang Barangay Police, thank you mo naman kay Pama ng Tabe. At kaya kayo po kabarangay ko, i-enjoy tayo mo po yung beginning ngayon. At pangako kung ang ganda ko po kayong pwesto, tuloy-tuloy mo po yung mga nining event para kayong barangay tamo. Ito mo po dakal po salamat. May pabengi po kayo.
Once again, a round of applause for Honorable Barangay Captain Gary Yumo. And before we proceed with tonight's proceeding, ladies and gentlemen, allow me to read to everybody our mechanics, guidelines, and criteria for judging that our judges will be looking into as we go along with our competition. For our mechanics, the pageant will be composed of candidates who will represent their respective purok. Candidates must be between 15 to 21 years old. The candidate must be a bona fide resident of San Juan First, Guagua, Pampanga. Candidates who are not residing in the said barangay can also join if and only if they have an immediate family residing in San Juan First, Guagua. The pageant will be divided into the following segments: casual wear competition, talent portion, evening gown competition, our first set of question and answer portion, and the final round with another question and answer portion. Each purok must present their official candidate on or before February 20, 2025. Official photos, photo shoot, training, and rehearsals were done during the date of February 28 until March 4, 2025. The talent of the candidates must be at least 3 minutes with 2 backups or more. The talent must be free from vulgar or absent language and inappropriate acts. Candidates are prohibited from using fire or any harmful props. The candidates will be judged based on the following criteria. For the preliminary round, we have poise and personality for 15%, casual wear competition 20%, talent 20%, evening gown is 20%, and wit for 25% for the total of 100%. Again, ladies and gentlemen, doon po magbe-base ng ating mga hurado kung paano nila bibigyan ng scores ang ating mga kandidata. But that is only for the preliminary round. After the preliminary round, we will be trimming our 7 candidates into 5 top finalists. And for the final round, we will be, the judges will be looking at the criteria of beauty 50% and wit 50% for a total of 100%. Barangay San Juan, who do you think will be the Mutya Ning San Juan 2025? Is it candidate number 1? Candidate number 2? What about candidate number 3? Or is it going to be candidate number 4? It could be candidate number 5. Or candidate number 6. Who knows? It is candidate number 7. And let's start tonight's competition with the casual wear competition. begin the casual wear competition with candidate number 1, Princess Joy Liwana. Number 2, Rika Maynard. Candidate number 3 is Irish Bambi Okafor. Number 5 is Kim Anthony Pampanga. Candidate number 6 is Juan. Candidate number 7 is Miss Cassandra Pimaruku. Let's all welcome our 7 candidates for the casual wear competition. Once again, a round of applause for our 7 candidates in the casual wear competition. And as early as now, we would like to thank our official designer, Mr. Kainer Talentino. And we're ready to award our first set of special awards. The first award for our first set of special awards is Miss Congeniality. Miss Congeniality goes to candidate number candidate number 6, Charlie Cruz. The next award is Miss Professional. Miss Professional is candidate number 7, Miss Cassandra Pimaruku. The next award is Miss Winsome Smile. Miss Winsome Smile goes to candidate number. It's candidate number 1, Princess Joy Liwana. Our next award is Miss Darling of the Crowd. Who's the crowd's favorite? It's candidate number 5, Kim Angelina Carlina. minor award, before we award the sponsors awards, is best in production number. Sino ba ang pinakamagaling sumayaw? You're right, it's candidate number 3, Iris Valley of Pampanga. Let's now award our sponsors awards. This event is well known because we received a lot of sponsorship coming from different private people. We begin with Villa Priscilla Resort and Pavilion and Style by Priscilla Choice Award to receive cash and certificate. Villa Priscilla Resort and Pavilion and Style by Priscilla Choice Award is candidate number 4, Cesar Zulaine Pura. Next sponsor award is Pharmaceutical Product Distribution Choice Award to receive cash and certificate. Pharmaceutical Product Distribution Choice Award goes to candidate number 3, Iris Valley of and certificate. Sandbox Event Management Choice Award is candidate number 2, Rika Hernando. Presented by this cute little boy. Completing our first set of sponsors awards is Pau Monte Carlo Choice Award. The winners, I mean winners because there are 2 winners for this award who will receive 3,000 pesos worth of hair and makeup services. The first recipient is candidate number 3, Iris Valley of Pampanga. And the second recipient of Pau Monte Carlo Choice Award is candidate number 7, Luis Cassandra Dilarupu. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen, and that completes our first set of special awards. Our candidates will now prepare for the second part of our competition, which is the talent competition. In every competition, ladies and gentlemen, aside from the criteria for judging, There will be people who will have the toughest job, and they are our panel of judges. And tonight's panel of judges consists of 3 professional people in their own respective fields. And as I call on your name, please come up on stage to be recognized. Allow me to introduce to everybody our panel of judges. Our first judge is a 21-year-old gentleman who hails from Santo Tomas, Lubao, Pampanga, a second-year student taking a Bachelor of Science in Tourism Management at Don Honorio Ventura State University. He is Mr. Teen International Philippines 2023 and Mr. Global Teen International 2024. A round of applause for Mr. Phil Andre Tomo. There you have it, Mr. Phil Tomo. Our next judge is Mr. and Miss Philippines Youth Provincial Director, Great Man of the Universe Provincial Director, Rampa Cultura Provincial Director, the Best Supermodel Provincial Director, a Talent Manager, Regal Films Co-Manager, Star Music under ABS-CBN Co-Manager, an International Pageant Coach, King and Beauty Queen Maker. Let's give it up for Mr. John Neri Vicente. Our last judge is the only rose among the thorns. She is a licensed professional teacher, a master teacher Juan at Emilio A. Bondoc Senior High School at Santo Tomas, Pampanga. A graduate of Masters of Arts in Educational Management, a pageant enthusiast and has an eye for beauty and arts. A resounding applause for Miss Vivian Della Victoria. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, Mutya, Ning, and Juan 2025 panel of judges. Let's give them a warm round of applause. Once again, let me reiterate to everybody our criteria for judging for tonight's competition. Voice and personality is 15%. Casual is 20%, which was already judged a while ago. Talent is 20%, which everybody will witness in a short while. Evening gown is 20%. And wit, 25%. And that is for a total of 100%. And while we are waiting for our candidates to get ready, let us witness an intermission number that will be coming from the National Freestyle participants representing GNC Dance Sports. Let us give them a warm round of applause. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen, National Rizal contender for dance sports, Lance and Breeze. Let us now begin our talent competition with candidate number 1, Princess Joy Libana. Once again, a round of applause for candidate number 1, Princess Joy Libana. That is standing number 1, Princess Joy Libana. Let's now welcome candidate number 2, Rita May Maneco.
Magandang gabi po. Ang akin pong talento ay yung pagpapakita ng kung ano ako sa araw-araw. Ako po ay isang working student at sa umaga po ako ay nag-aaral. Ako po ay third year college at sa gabi naman po ako ay nagtatrabaho sa isang kilalang fast food restaurant. 2 years na po ako working student. At proud na proud po ako sa sarili ko dahil nakakayanan ko ito.
Next in line is candidate number 4, Tirza Selene Kura. That is candidate number 4, Tirza Selene Kura. Next in line is candidate number 5, Kim Angeli Macalina. That is candidate number 5, Kim Angeli Bacalinaw. Let's now have candidate number 6, Jemerlyn Cruz. Once again, candidate number 6 is Jemerlyn Cruz.
May pulis sa ilalim ng tulay. Binabaon sa lupa, stisyang pinatay habang walang kakakita. Bulok na ang sistema, serbisyo niya hindi sa'yo kung wala kang pera. May pulis sa ilalim ng tulay. Binabaon sa lupa ang stisyang pinatay habang walang nakakakita. Nabulok na ang sistema, may bahay ng dugo ang ginintuan niyang tsaka.
Itong gulo.
Bilisan mo ang takbo. Ilan mga hapon ang nakatutok sa ulo mo. Bago'y tumalog ka, lumabag ang kailangan at pagkatamaan pa ng mga bala.
Hindi ulat dilaw, tunay na maghalaban. Ang kulay at katangay, di siya dahilan. Hanggat marami ang lubog sa kahirapan, ang hustisya ay para lang sa mayaman. Habang may nagsulong, sila ang nagtutok, di makatapos itong mulo.
That is candidate number 6, Jemerlyn Cruz. And we are down to our last candidate. Candidate number 7 is Denise Cassandra Dimaruco.
Ang probinsya po ng Pampanga ay binubuo ng 22 mga bayan. 11 po dito ay mga munisipalidad at 3 naman po ay mga lungsod. Ito po ang buong kasaysayan ng kanilang pinagmulan at pagsisimula.
number 7, Eunice Cassandra Di Maruco. Barangay San Juan, why don't we give our candidates a warm round of applause? Palakpakan tayo po. For the information of everybody, our candidates were only given a very limited time to prepare for this competition. It's only 5 days to be exact. Even us, alam po ni Kapian, we were only given 5 days to prepare for this competition. But then again, they were able to come up with brilliant ideas in terms of their talents. There are some that some of us might say that it is inappropriate, but we believe we can learn something from those presentations. I hope. Ne? So, with that being said, allow me to extend our gratitude to our sponsors for this evening. Gratitude for Villa Priscilla Resorts and Pavilion and Style by Priscilla. Pharmaceutical Product Distribution. Sandox Event Management. Pau Monte Carlo. Cafe Benissimo. Tapsi Vines. Trick Slip Products. XVII Travel Services. Hot Prints. And Flower Arrangements by Charles Wanda. Ladies and gentlemen, these generous sponsors gave out their best in order for them to produce or provide special awards for our candidates. And later on, we will be giving away more of our sponsors' awards. And with that being said, let us witness another intermission number that will be coming from the Central Luzon Regional Athletic Association contender for dance sports. Let's give it up for Nico and Ray. Let's give them a warm round of applause. Once again, a round of applause for Central Luzon Regional Athletic Association contender for dance sports, Nico and Rain. And we are ready for the next part of our competition, the long gown competition. We begin with candidate number 1, Princess Joy Liwana. Once again, we begin our evening gown competition with candidate number 1, Princess Joy Liwana. Once again, we would like to extend our sincerest gratitude to all our sponsors, Villa Priscilla Resort and Pavilion, and staff by Priscilla, Pharmaceutical Product Distribution, Sundocs Event Management, Pau Monte Carlo, Cafe Benissimo, Top C Vibes, Liz June Flower Shop, Tricks Lip Products, XBII Travel Services, Hot Prints, and Flower Arrangements by Charles Butler. Our evening gown competition is now ready. Let's welcome candidate number 1, Princess Joy Liwana. Let's now welcome candidate number 2, Rika May Marengo. Let's welcome candidate number 3, Iris. Let's now have candidate Let's now have candidate number 5, and actually Macarena. Candidate number 6 is Jemerlyn Cruz. Let's now have candidate number 7, Miss Cassandra Ibarito. Once again, let's all welcome our 7 candidates and their evening gown. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, why don't we give our 7 candidates a warm round of applause. And I will repeat our gratitude to our official designer, Mr. Kainer Tolentino, for providing us such wonderful creations. Sir Kainer, nasan si Sir Kainer? Maraming salamat. Please stand up to be recognized. There you have it, Mr. Kainer Tolentino, our official designer since Mutya San Juan 2024. Hopefully, until our coming years. And with that being said, ladies and gentlemen, we are ready to announce the second set of special awards. We will begin with our sponsors awards. Our first award is Cafe Bellissimo Choice Award. To receive vouchers and certificate. Whoever wins this award, tomorrow, pwede ka na pumunta sa Cafe Bellissimo to claim your prize. Cafe Bellissimo Choice Award goes to candidate number Number 3, Irish Family of Cafe. Award is Taxi Vibes Choice Award. Again, to receive vouchers and a certificate. Taxi Vibes Choice Award goes to candidate number 4, 2023. Our next award is Strix Lip Products Choice Award. our first winner is, recipient of the award is candidate number 1, Princess Joy. And our second recipient is candidate number 3, Iris. Our next award is XVII Travel Services Choice Award. To receive cash and a certificate, XVII Travel Services Choice Award is candidate number 7, Eunice Cassandra Group. The next sponsor award is Hot Prince Choice Award. Again, to receive cash and a certificate. Hot Prince Choice Award goes to candidate number 4, Susan Zeleny. Thank you so much. And we are down to the last sponsor award. Our last award is Flower Arrangement. Arrangements by Charles Guagua Choice Award. To receive cash, certificate, and a very beautiful bouquet counted by Mr. Charles Guagua himself. Flower Arrangements by Charles Guagua Choice Award goes to candidate number. It's candidate number 3. Giving of awards doesn't end because we are ready to announce our final minor awards. Once again, I would like to remind everybody that our criteria for judging is based on different criteria such as beauty and poise, casual, talent, evening gown, and wit. Meaning, lahat po ng sponsors awards and other minor awards, wala pong bearing yan sa score natin. Okay? Meron po tayong sinusundan na criteria for judging.
Nangaman mo tayo, makapapos nilulog po.
Sino kaya ang papasok sa top 5? Barangay Sinuan, who's your bet? The first award for the second set of minor awards is Best in Rap. Best in Rap goes to candidate number. Candidate number 3. next award is Miss Photogenic. Photos to be revealed here on stage. Miss Photogenic goes to candidate number 4, Guagua. The next award is Miss Photogenic. Again, photos to be revealed here on stage. Miss Photogenic is candidate number B. We will now award our best in casual wear. Who among our candidates stood out wearing their beautiful casual wear? Best in casual wear is candidate number candidate number 3. Our Netizens Choice Award. Ang may pinakamaraming reaction. So official photos will be posted on our Facebook page of Bios and Juan. Netizens Choice Award goes to candidate number 7, Luis Cassandra America. Next in line is our best in talent. Best in talent is candidate number Yes, it's candidate number 3. Completing our because the real competition has just started. Requesting the handlers to please get the awards of your candidates before we proceed to the next part of our competition, and we consider this as one of the crucial part of every pageant competition. And I am talking about the first set of question and answer portion. Barangay San Juan, are you ready? At dahil ready na kayo, hopefully our candidates are also ready for the first set of question and answer. For this part, we have prepared different words wherein our candidates will be picking one, and they have to expound the word that they have picked or chosen, and they will be given not unlimited but no limited time for this competition as long as they can expound the word and they can use either English or Filipino language. I guess we're ready. Can I borrow one microphone? We begin with candidate number 1. Candidate number 1 is Princess Joy Diguana. Princess, are you ready? Yes, ready. Pick your word. The word that you have picked is authenticity. Again, the word is authenticity. The word that you have picked is authenticity.
Translate may Kapampangan na natin dyan niya eh. Kumayari na to. Ano yun? Oo, di ba na yan?
Ang pagiging unique po ay
Kaya ibita mo.
normal lang po sa isang tao dahil tayo po ay may mga pagkakaiba at wala pong pagkakaparehas. Ang pagiging unique po ay normal lang sa isang tao at thank you.
Alright, thank you so much, Princess Joy Diguana, our candidate number 1. Once again, I would like to remind everybody po to our dear audience, please avoid or refrain from doing unnecessary noise or cheers while our candidates are answering para po hindi sila ma-distract. Okay? We proceed with candidate number 2, Rika May Maneng. Candidate number 2, please speak a word. Your word is compassion. Compassion.
Para sa akin, ang compassion ay ang pag-unawa o pagiging, sa iba. Ulitin ko po, ang compassion ay ang pag-unawa o pakikiramay sa iba at sa mga nangangailangan nito. Ito ay ang paglagay ng iyong sarili sa buhay nila upang iyong maintindihan at matulungan sila. Yun lamang po. Salamat.
Thank you so much. Category number 2, Rita May Manento. Please move forward. Category number 3, Irish Manley. Candidate number 3, your word is leadership. Leadership.
Leadership. For me, leadership is not just all about the crown or your place in this society, but it is how you inspire people to do their best and be their best. Thank you.
That is candidate number 3, Irish Manley. Moving on with candidate number 4, Texas Ring Kula. Candidate number 4, your word is resilience. Resilience.
Resilience. I think that resilience is being is a strength that a woman should have. Joining this pageant is a really challenging thing for me to do. But with my resilience, I come here standing in front of the crowd, confidently beautiful that I can do this. And if I can do this, you can do it too. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Candidate number 4, Texas Ring Kula. Let's now have candidate number 5, Kim Angeline Macaulay. Candidate number 5, your word is inclusivity. Inclusivity.
Translate niya yan. Google Maps. Okay, Google mo yan. Hindi nakakaito. Ang data. Saan?
Once again, your word is inclusivity. Once again, a reminder to our dear audience to please refrain from doing any unnecessary noise while our candidates are thinking or answering the question, the first set of questions.
Pampanga
ng Pampanga. Salamat po.
And that is inclusivity, ladies and gentlemen. A round of applause for Kenny number 5, Kim Angeli Bacalina. Let's have Kenny number 6, Jeremy Cruz. With a confident smile, your word is advocacy. Advocacy.
Alam mo na yan.
Parang ako yung advocacy. Nagbibigay po ng kaalaman.
Jimenez, lakas mo boses mo.
Thank you so much, candidate number 6. Let's now have our last candidate, candidate number 7, Eunice Cassandra Binoy. Candidate number 7, your word is inspiration. Inspiration.
Para po sa akin, ang inspirasyon ay hindi lamang para po sa akin, ang inspirasyon ay para sa ating lahat. Lalo-lalo na sa ating pag-aaral. Upang makamit natin ang ating tagumpay at tunay na ligaya sa ating buhay.
Thank you so much, candidate number 7. And that ends our first set of question and answer portion. And to serenade our beautiful candidates, may I call on stage Mr. Emil Morales. Once again, a round of applause for Mr. Emil Morales. about a warm round of applause for Mr. Emil Morales. In a few moments, we'll be announcing our top 5 finalists. Who do you think will make it to our top 5? Or who do you think will be this year's Mutya, Ning, Juan 2025? Wala na yata yung audience. Who's prepared for this year's Mutya, Ning, Juan 2025? Is it candidate number 1? Candidate number 2? Candidate number 3? Candidate number 4? Candidate number 5? Candidate number 6? Or candidate number 7? Let's see. But before we announce our top 5, allow me to present the certificate of appreciation to our dear judges and to our official designer. Allow me to read the citation for our dear judges. Mutya, Ning, Juan 2025 Certificate of Appreciation is proudly presented to for sharing his or her time and expertise as one of the judges in Mutya, Ning, Juan 2025. Given this 5th day of March 2025 at San Juan, Guagua, Pampanga. Signed, Mark Kenneth Samonte, organizer, and Honorable Gary Humol, Barangay Captain. And as we award these certificates, may I invite on stage our Honorable Barangay Captain, Honorable Gary Humol, and of course, Mr. Mark Kenneth Samonte, our organizer. Nandiyan po ba si Cap? We begin with Miss Vivian de la Victoria. Next is Mr. Phil Andre Tumor. And of course, completing our panel of judges is Mr. John Neri Vicente. And the last certificate of appreciation to be awarded is our certificate of appreciation for being the official designer of Mutya, Ning, Juan 2025, given this 5th day of March 2025 at San Juan, Guagua, Pampanga. Signed, Mark Kenneth Samonte, organizer, and Honorable Gary Humol, Barangay Captain. And this certificate of appreciation is proudly presented to Mr. Kainer Valentino. Once again, a round of applause for our panel of judges and our official designer for this year's Mutya, Ning, Juan. our warmest gratitude to all of you. And of course, to our dear sponsors. Our judges are just validating the results for our preliminary competition. And in a short while, we will be announcing our top 5 finalists. Show your love and support to your favorite candidate. Huwag mawawala ng pag-asa because we are still few steps away and counting our Mutya, Ning, Juan 2025. And the results are in and we're ready to announce our top 5 finalists. Ladies and gentlemen, this is in no particular order. The first spot belongs to candidate number candidate number 4, Teresa Zulaine Pura. The next spot belongs to candidate number candidate number 6, Sherilyn Cruz. Our third spot belongs to candidate number 7, Minister Sandra Dumaruti. Two spots remaining, but we still have 4 ladies na hindi pa natatawag. The 4th spot is yours. Candidate number 3, Irish our top 5 finalists is candidate number It's candidate number 2, Rita Hernando. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen, our top 5 finalists. And since we already have our top 5 finalists, ang scoring po natin ngayon ay back to 0. Meaning wala na pong bearing. Lahat ng accumulated scores na nakuha nila from the first part of our competition down to the first set of question and answer. So back to zero na po tayo. And for our final round, it's going to be a 50-50 scoring. Meaning 50% beauty and 50% wit and spontaneity. Barangay San Juan, are you ready for our final round? Let's begin with candidate number 4. Candidate number 4 is Tirsa Zelaine Pura. Pick your question. Your question is, I will be repeating the question twice. What is the most significant challenge the women of today are facing? And how can you address it? Again, what is the most significant challenge women of today are facing? And how can you address it?
I think that what women face today is insecurity. For instance, in social media, those likes, those filters doesn't matter. As long as you know that you are beautiful in yourself, you can prove that to others and be confident enough. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Candidate number 4, Tirsa Zelaine Pura. Let's now have candidate number 6, Jamerlyn Cruz. Pick your question. If you win this title, how will you use your platform to make a difference? Again, if you win this title, how will you use your platform to make a difference? Requesting everybody po to keep silent. Alright, thank you so much. Candidate number 6, Jamerlyn Cruz. Next is candidate number 7, Eunice Cassandra Pimaruco. Your question is, how do you define success and how does this competition align with your definition? Again, how do you define success and how does this competition align with your definition?
Everyone knows money, material things, and successful journey and business. But for me, success is what you call family. Dahil mawalan ka man ng pera, mawalan ka man ng material na bagay, mawalan ka man ng hindi ka man magtagumpay sa iyong pangarap at bumagsak man ang iyong business, andyan ang pamilya mo, tatanggap at yayakap sa'yo, mamahalin at iintindihin ka dahil ang tunay na tagumpay at ligaya sa pamilya mo lang ito makakamtan.
Thank you so much. Candidate number 7, Eunice Cassandra Pimaruco. Our next candidate is candidate number 3, Iris Randy. Your question is, what is the most important quality a title holder should possess and how do you embody it? Again, what is the most important quality a title holder should possess and how do you embody it?
I believe that a title holder should possess is authenticity. Being true to yourself, even the world changes you. And I embody these as you all know, I once lost a pageant because of a height requirement. And I use this as a motivation for me to stand here in front of you today. And I believe that a title holder should possess that she should be
I think
dapat ang title, ang manalo ay magiging inspirasyon sa karamihan. Dahil ang kagandahan ay kumukupas. Pero ang iyong magandang nagawa, kailan pa man hindi mawawala. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Candidate number 3, Irish Valley Pampanga. Our last candidate is candidate number 2, Rika A. Maneco. Your question is, beauty is often associated with physical appearance, but true beauty goes beyond looks. In your opinion, what qualities make a person truly beautiful? Again, beauty is often associated with physical appearance, but true beauty goes beyond looks. In your opinion, what qualities make a person truly beautiful?
Naniniwala ako na ang tunay na kagandahan ay hindi lamang nakikita sa palabas na kaanyuan, kundi ito ay nakikita kung ito ay nakikita sa panloob at kung paano mo ito ipapakita sa iba. Maaaring ito ay ang pagiging mabuti, mapangunawa, maaaring ito ay pagiging mabuti, mapangunawa, at pagiging totoo sa iyong sarili. Yun lamang po. Maraming salamat.
Thank you so much, candidate number 2. And that ends our final question and answer portion. In a few minutes, we will be crowning the new Mutya Ning Juan 2025. But before we go there, let us welcome our reigning queen in her final and in her farewell walk. Let's give it up for Mia Juan.
A year ago, I stood before you, honored and humbled to be crowned Mutya Ning Juan. Today, as my reign comes to an end, my heart is filled with gratitude. This journey has been nothing short of amazing, one that allowed me to grow, serve, and connect with the beautiful people of our community. Being Mutya Ning Juan was more than just wearing a crown. It was about embracing the responsibility of representing our beloved barangays and first, with pride, grace, and purpose. Throughout this journey, I have met so many inspiring individuals, participated in meaningful projects, and deepened my love for our culture and community. Every smile, every story, and every shared moment has made this experience truly unforgettable. To my family, friends, and everyone who mentored me, supported me, and uplifted me since day one of this wonderful journey, thank you so much. It has been my greatest privilege to represent you with pride and grace. And to the next Mutya Ning Juan, cherish this experience, use your voice, and shine your light. Though my reign ends, my love for San Juan remains. Maraming salamat, and may we continue to uplift and inspire one another. Once again, I am Telly Just Niman Cabanyada, forever your Mutya Ning Juan 2024.
Once again, Mutya Ning Juan 2024, Carolina Jazz Baniana. We welcome back on stage our top 5 finalists. Once again, we welcome back on stage our top 5 finalists. Candidate number 4 is Tirza Zelaine Kura. Candidate number 6 is Jean-Louis Cruz. Candidate number 7 is Eunice Cassandra Di Marocco. Candidate number 3 is Irish Vandy Ocampo. And candidate number 2 is Rita May Manning. Once again, our top 5 finalists for this year's Mutya, Ning, Juan 2025. But on Ning, Juan, why don't we give them a resounding applause? Our committee are just finalizing the results, and in a short while, we will witness the crowning of our new queen. But before that, allow me to extend our gratitude once again to our dear sponsors. Villa Priscilla Resort and Pavilion and Styled by Priscilla, Pharmaceutical Product Distribution, Sendox Event Management, Pao Monte Carlo, Cafe Benissimo Choice Award, Topsy Vibes, Trick Slip Products, XVII Travel Services, Hat Prints, Flower Arrangements by Charles Guagua. And of course, we would like to extend our gratitude also to our panel of judges, Sir Phil, Sir John, and Ma'am Vivian. Maraming salamat. And we are looking forward to our next competition this coming June, which is the Lakan Ning Juan 2025. To our aspiring Lakans, message nyo sa cap para makapag-prepare na tayo for our Lakan Ning Juan 2025. Meron pa backup? Hindi natin. Siguro baka. Tignan natin. And of course, as early as now, we would like to congratulate our ladies for making it this far. It's not easy, but I believe it's all worth it. Audience, show your love and support to your favorite candidates. Bigyan natin sila ng masigabong palakpakan na may kasamang hiyawan. Keep your energy high and your hope high, because in a short while we will crown our new queen. Our winners will be crowned by the past winners, our Mutya Ning Juan title holders, fourth runner-up, first runner-up, until our title holder. And then to be assisted by our barangay captain, our organizer, head organizer, Mr. Martin and of course, our judges. Who do you think is our Mutya Ning Juan 2025? Is it candidate number 4? Candidate number 6? Candidate number 7? Candidate number 3? Or candidate number 2? Of course, we would like to extend our gratitude to the parents of our candidates, their handlers, makeup artists, for exerting so much effort. And para po maging maganda ang ating event ngayong gabi. And of course, to our dear audience who are still here at this very moment, I think it's already raining, but you are still here waiting for the announcement of winners. Thank you so much for staying. Siguro blessing in disguise na din yung umulan para hindi kayo makaalis. And I can see that our head organizer is already validating the scores or the results. Ladies, remember, you are all winners. Nakarating kayo ng top 5. With the efforts that you have exerted, you are all winners. And I hope all the learnings that you had in this competition, you take it as an inspiration and motivation in your future endeavors. A little more patience. We are just validating our results. And the results have been handed over by our head organizer. And we are ready to announce our winners. May we invite on stage the presenters for the awards. We begin with Mutya Ning 2025 for runner-up. Mutya Ning 2025 fourth runner-up is candidate number candidate number 6, Cheverly Cruz. Once again, our Mutya Ning 2025 fourth runner-up is candidate number 6, Cheverly Cruz. Next is Mutya Ning 2025 third runner-up. Mutya Ning 2025 third runner-up is candidate number candidate number 2, Rika Fernando. Once again, Mutya Ning 2025 third runner-up is candidate number 2, Rika Fernando. Mutya Ning 2025 second runner-up goes to candidate number candidate number 7, Luis Cassandra Dimaruco. once again, for Yannick San Juan 2025 second runner-up is heading number 7, Eunice Cassandra Pimaruco. 2 ladies remaining. 1 prestigious cider. I want to make this clear to everybody more. I will be announcing Mutya Ning 2025 title holder. Meaning, the remaining candidate is our first runner-up. But the first to be awarded is the first runner-up. Barangay San Juan, are you ready? Mutya Ning San Juan 2025 is candidate number Mutya Ning San Juan 2025 is candidate number Congratulations to all the winners. Congratulations to the town parents. May we invite our judges to please come up on stage for a photo opportunity.